सबको नई चीज़ें देखने हैं, ऐसी ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, पर जो पुरानी चीज़ें होती है उनका भी चार्म होता है। जो मतलब तीन खान है, हम लोग उनके बारे में कोई भी उनके बारे में एक शब्द भी नेगेटिव बोले तो वो इडियट होगा मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि जो इंडस्ट्री है उन्होंने उसका वेट कितने सालों से उठाया है और उठाते रहेंगे ऑब्वियसली। और जितने भी बड़े स्टार्स हैं या युवा स्टार्स हैं, उनको भी उनसे इंस्पिरेशन लेके ही आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
I don't want to be the next Shah Rukh Khan. There can only be one Shah Rukh Khan. That's why he is the Shah Rukh Khan. I want to be Ranbir Kapoor. I want people to know me for my work. You can just remove the S and keep the RK. So I want to be myself. So I don't take these tags seriously. From the day my first film came in, though it was a disaster, people said he's the next big thing, next big thing. That's a very polite way of saying, "Ki beta, you're not a superstar or anything. You could be." So that phrase has been attached to me for a long time. And now there's so many next big things. There are so many new boys who have come who are so talented and so popular.
As I said, we're going through the golden era of Indian cinema. Like last year was the year when 5 debutants made an amazing debut. I think that is nothing happened. That's not happened in the past. It's a rarity. It's an aberration, I think. So, and out of 5, everybody did really well. And I think in the forthcoming years, there'll be at least 3 to 4 newcomers every year. I think it's a very, very good sign.
There are a lot of talented people out here that are coming out there and making a super mark for them. I don't know about taking over, I think taking over is kind of insulting someone's potential. You're making somebody a replacement for somebody else. I wouldn't want to be that. I want to be myself.
I mean, these are superstars. They've proved. Akshay is also from '89, and Salman is also from '91, '92. So I mean, these people have done their bit. They've seen the ups and downs, and doesn't make a difference. See where Salman is, and see with what they were talking about him 5 years back. So it's now. They are superstars, nobody can,
नहीं, जो सुपरस्टार्स हैं वो हमेशा सुपरस्टार्स रहेंगे, ये कहना थोड़ा गलत होगा, बिकॉज इट चेंजेस ऑलमोस्ट एवरी फ्राइडे. आपने 4-5 फ्लॉप्स अगर दे दिए तो क्वाइट ऑब्वियसली आप सुपरस्टार नहीं रहे. इन द सेम वे अगर आप कोई नई फिल्म आती है जो लोगों को पसंद आती है, उसमें एक नया कलाकार होता है जो कनेक्ट एक बैठ जाता है ऑडियंस के साथ, then he becomes a superstar.
I think there's a lot of freshness. अभी जो पिछले 2 सालों में जितने डेब्यूटेंट्स आए हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में, I think there's a whole lot of freshness. परिणीति जैसे जो नाम आ गए हैं या सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जैसे जो नाम आ गए हैं, there's a lot of freshness. In fact, अब जब मैं ट्रेलर्स देखती हूँ, I'm surprised to see there's an equal measure of experienced known actors and equal measure of upcoming actors.
इस साल काफ़ी देखा जाए तो काफ़ी बैलेंस रहा है. All the big stars, they've all had releases, are going to have releases. जैसे कि शाहरुख खान है, आमिर खान है, काफ़ी समय के बाद ऋतिक हैं, उनकी क्रिश आ रही है, या फिर सलमान है, अक्षय कुमार हैं, तो सबकी फिल्में हैं. लेकिन there's also been an equal footing and presence of the younger stars, चाहे आशिकी हो, चाहे मेरे डैड की मारुति हो, फुकरे हो. So lots of younger, fresher films as well. और काफ़ी balanced रहा है इस साल. I think अगले साल भी मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा similar रहेगा, because काफ़ी बड़ी फिल्में भी lined up हैं अगले साल के लिए. But somehow my gut tells me कि the lineup of the younger, newer stars is going to be stronger, slightly.
Industry में ना मैं सोचता हूँ कि if you study it, there's a cycle. वो 15-18 साल की cycle होती है. और जो हमारे सुपरस्टार्स है, द खान्स एंड so on are all born in 1965. So they're all 48 this year. Okay, तो लॉजिकल है कि अगर यूथ के अगर फिल्म्स हो और वैसा सब्जेक्ट हो, इफ इट्स अ कॉलेज केपर, तो इट्स इम्पॉसिबल फॉर देम टू बी स्टारिंग इन इट. सो cyclically you will find कि अभी रणबीर कपूर is 30 and the youngest of the new actors about 24-25. So the next band of actors which will be taking over that slot of cinema, okay, I think are now here and getting more and more established.